Hello everyone, welcome to Throttle and Tails. This is Supraj Venkat. Right now, on every corner, about 20 kilometers per hour, you are counter steering. You just don't know you're doing it. And because you're doing it by feel rather than by intention, you're leaving a significant amount of control on the table. Let me show you what changes when you do this deliberately, because the difference is not subtle. To turn right, you push the right handlebar forward. To turn left, you push left. That is counter steering. Below about 20 kilometers per hour, steering works like a bicycle. So you turn left, you turn the handlebar left, and then to right, you turn it right. But above that speed, pushing the right bar initiates a lean to the right, which turns the bike right. Pushing the right bar forward causes the front wheel to steer slightly left, obviously. This creates a gyroscopic force that causes the bike to lean right. The bike leans right, follows the lean, and turns right. You don't need to memorize the physics, just understand. Push the bar in the direction of the turn. If you want to go right, push the bar right. If you want to go left, push the bar left. You're riding along, an animal runs into the road, a pothole appears, your instinct is to lean your body or throw your weight to one side. At speed, that body movement is significantly slower than a bar input. Pushing the bar is the fastest possible way to change direction. Counter steering only works if your arms are relaxed. Stiff arms transmit your body weight and core tensions directly to the bars. Loose elbows allow the bars to respond to deliberate inputs rather than absorbing the noise of tense upper body. The GS's wide handlebars are an advantage here. More bar width means a longer lever, less physical effort to initiate a lean. Very easy, you just need to slightly put some pressure in the direction you want to travel, and the bike leans beautifully. Counter steering on the GS is actually more efficient than on a sports bike, which has a shorter handlebar. Keep the grip loose. Loose hands on wide bars is the correct combination. Find a nice quiet road and ride to around 50-55 kilometers per hour. And then, I've got both hands off, and if I push to the right, the bike leans to the right. If I push to the left, the bike goes to the left. As you can see, I'm just pushing. There's no pulling. And as you can see, the bike can swerve in the direction that you're pushing. On your next ride out, push the bars and feel what happens, and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.